It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, August 14th. I'm James Spann. Pretty typical August weather coming up for the weekend. Let's check things out today. Water vapor satellite view. We have the upper high to the west, weak trough to the east. Moisture is increasing. We have seen a few pockets of showers and storms across the state today. We'll see those in spots tomorrow and Sunday, but as usual, they'll be rather random and scattered. That was the radar at 2:39. At that point, had some decent rain falling over parts of Cullman, Lawrence, Morgan counties. Big storm sitting over Lay Lake on the Shelby-Talladega County line. Those were drifting northwest. But overall, the east is pretty quiet, the eastern half of the nation. Out west, we have excessive heat warnings for places like Phoenix, Palm Springs, and Las Vegas. A lot of red flag warnings up in the northwest for the wildfire danger there. Severe weather possibilities well to the north for the rest of today and tonight. Same thing tomorrow. Risk of severe weather for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota, which is what we expect this time of the year. Overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week, about 1/2 inch for North Alabama. A little heavier down to the south, but even there on the Gulf Coast, the weather not too bad for the next 5 to 7 days, with about 7 to 9 hours of sun each day, with a few passing storms, of course. In the tropics, a tropical wave looks like it's about to come off the coast of Africa, but it's going to be hitting that big shredding machine, the shear, the dry air, and bottom line is things will likely stay quiet out there for a while. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. Upper high 597 heat is over the Four Corners in the Southwest U.S. A little bit of that trough is kind of hanging back over the deep south. You can see that little weakness there. So tomorrow, a pretty typical August day, partly sunny, a chance of scattered showers and storms. Here's the high-res NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM at 4 o'clock. Doesn't show a lot, but again, I think no doubt we'll see some storms out there. The chance of your front yard getting hit will be about 1 in 3. And the same thing on Sunday. Highs for the weekend, very close to 90 both days. Here's Monday. Again, we got troughing over the northwest United States. We've still got that weakness here, and the GFS continues to suggest that showers and storms could be more active, at least for the first half of next week. This is Tuesday. We know Tuesday that big surface low, 1,000 millibars coming out of the Colorado Plains here. That looks like a severe weather look for maybe Wichita, Tulsa, and Kansas City, something like you might see in late May instead of mid-August. And then on Wednesday, that low deepens and moves up toward the Great Lakes with a trailing front. But for us, we stay in a moist air mass, and again, we'll have scattered showers and storms. And really, next week, the operational GFS, the 12Z run, suggesting highs in the mid to upper 80s. Thursday, same thing, the front just north of us. And this is a week from today, Friday, August 21st. Broad troughing over the high plains. The front not making it through here. We stay in moist air. So again, the risk of scattered showers and storms. The GFS is printing 87 for the high on Friday. And we all know we can have blazing heat this time of the year. That's not bad at all. Here's the end of the forecast. Monday, August 24th. The westerlies are up in Canada. And again, typical summertime weather. Temperatures off the GEFS ensemble. Highs around 90, lows upper 60s to near 70. And the anomalies August 21st through August 27th, showing above average here, but I don't know. If to me, it looks like we'll be near average. If anything, maybe a smidgen below. Might have to disagree with that chart. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.